Dishwashers date back to the 1850s, invented by Joel Houghton with a hand-cranked version. The first automatic dishwasher was created in 1887 by Josephine Cochran, a socialite. Modern dishwashers use less water than hand washing, often saving gallons per cycle. The sanitized cycle heats water to 155 degrees Fahrenheit, 68 degrees Celsius, to kill bacteria. Most dishwashers have a lifespan of about 9 to 12 years, depending on maintenance and usage. Dishwasher detergents are specifically formulated to avoid creating suds. Dishwashers save time by eliminating about 230 hours of hand washing annually. First dishwasher patent was awarded to Joel Houghton in 1850 for a wooden machine. Josephine Cochran's invention was showcased at the 1893 World's Columbian Exposition in Chicago. Dishwashers reduce potential breakages compared to hand-washing dishes. Most machines use a rotary spray system to distribute water evenly. The eco mode on dishwashers uses less energy and water, though it takes longer. The term dishwasher can also refer to a person who washes dishes in commercial kitchens. Hard water affects dishwasher efficiency, leading to mineral buildups. Modern units have sensors to detect the dirtiness of water and adjust the cycle accordingly. Noise levels of dishwashers have decreased over years, with many models being whisper quiet. Tablets, powder, or gel are the common detergent formats for dishwashers. Pre-rinsing dishes might waste water and make detergents less effective. Many dishwashers have filters that require regular cleaning for optimal performance. Heating element inside evaporates moisture, speeding up drying time. Dishwashers were luxury items until the 1950s, when their popularity began to rise. Stainless steel interiors retain heat better, aiding in faster drying of dishes. Most dishwashers use a soil sensor to assess how dirty dishes are. Overloading the dishwasher prevents water from reaching all dishes, leaving some unclean. The rinse aid compartment helps reduce water spots and improves drying. Some dishwashers can be integrated into cabinetry for a seamless look. Water jets in dishwashers can reach speeds of 60 miles per hour or more. Hard food disposers in some units grind up large food particles. In Europe, dishwashers are often smaller, fitting into more compact kitchens. Many dishwashers offer adjustable racks to fit larger pots or taller glasses. Dishwasher salt softens hard water and enhances detergent effectiveness. Many models have delay start options, allowing you to run them at off-peak hours. Some high-end dishwashers project the cycle time onto the floor for easy viewing. The first commercial dishwasher was introduced by Miele in 1929. The bottom rack is typically designed for pots, pans, and dinnerware. Rinse and hold cycle pre-rinses dishes without detergent, reducing food odors. Some units come with LED lighting inside for better visibility. Energy Star rated dishwashers use 12% less energy and 30% less water on average. The dishwasher's drain pump expels water from the unit at the cycle's end. The upper rack is often reserved for glasses, cups, and less soiled items. Half-load options allow you to wash dishes in just one part of the dishwasher. Dishwashers help prevent bacterial growth by washing at high temperatures. The spinning arm beneath the bottom rack is known as the wash arm. European models often lack a drying element, relying on residual heat instead. Detergent pods are convenient, but must be stored away from children. Dishwashers can be built-in, portable, or countertop models. Newer models have touch or tap controls for a sleek look. Some units possess anti-flood features that detect leaks and stop the cycle. Glass protection technology regulates water hardness to prevent glass corrosion. Advanced dishwashers offer smartphone control and monitoring features.